My name is Michell Ochieng. I'm a software developer and UI UX designer. I came to Moringa School today for the EOS introduction. This is the first time I actually heard about it, and it's really interesting. It's amazing how you can actually get ahead in the blockchain industry with this right now. Before I came here, I didn't even know what to apply for, so I didn't apply before coming here. But after this, now I know, I feel like I can apply for this, and I know exactly what I need to do for this. So the competition may come up different, but at least I have an idea of what I need to do. No man is an island, so I'll definitely have team members around me, and we'll each play our roles to get to the top with my share of the money. Well, I actually have my share, because the first thing I thought of was putting it into the product and getting it out there, because that way it will be able to scale and grow faster. Yeah, then I'll have my share, a bigger share. Going into this, I'm looking at developing a product with a real-life application, and that is going to be able to scale and actually have impact. As a software developer, because the key software strengths that are required to work with EOS are actually not my strengths, but I have the general problem-solving skills. So the skills that would really help to make this stand out is my experience as a designer in UI and UX, to make whatever we'll do be able to be easy to use and understand.